Namaskar and welcome. I'm Sucheta Banerjee, an alumna of IIT Kharagpur. Today we are here with Dr. Sanjay Rana, a professional geophysicist, alumna and gold medalist of IIT Roorkee and managing director of Parsan. We are here to discuss an extremely important and timely topic today. It's tailings dam safety. Dr. Rana, Parsan is organizing a free expert webinar on July 4th, 2026 at 3 p.m. Indian Standard Time titled Tailings Dams, Subsurface Intelligence, Geophysics and AI-Driven Monitoring for Safer Mine Waste Management. To begin with, why did you choose tailings dams as the theme for this webinar?
Thank you, Sucheta. Tailing dams are among the most critical risk assets in the mining industry. They are not like ordinary water-retaining dams. They store mine waste, often in form of slurry, semi-solid material, or filtered tailings. The challenge is that many of the early warning signs are not visible on the surface. Hidden seepage paths, weak internal zones, saturation changes, subsidence, and silent deformation may develop underground for months or even years before they become visible. That is why the theme of webinar is very clear. Most failures do not start on the surface, they start underground, where visual inspection cannot reach.
That's a very powerful point. So where does geophysics come into the picture?
So geophysics allows us to see inside and below the dam without excavation. It provides rapid, continuous, and non-invasive subsurface information. In this webinar, I will cover how methods such as electrical ray city imaging, which we also call ERI or ERT, MASW, that is multi-channel analysis of surface waves, seismic refraction tomography, streaming potential, GPR, and induced polarization can help identify seepage, saturation, weak zones, low velocity zones, foundation conditions, and subsurface anomalies. The objective is to reduce assumptions and increase evidence. Instead of depending only on isolated drilling or visual inspection, we can create a more continuous understanding of what is happening inside the dam and below the foundation.
So who will benefit the most from this webinar?
So this webinar will be very useful for a wide range of professionals, mining companies, tailings dam owners, operators, geotechnical engineers, dam safety professionals, mine planning teams, environmental teams, consultants, regulators, EPC contractors, monitoring professionals, and of course, researchers and students. Anyone connected with mine waste management, tailings, storage facilities, geotechnical risk, seepage, slope stability, or infrastructure monitoring will find this session extremely relevant and useful.
The webinar also has a second session on AI-driven monitoring. Can you tell us about that?
Yes. So the second session will be delivered by Mr. SHIVARAJ CHOUTAGI, founder of Octasence. His session is titled Evolution of AI and Data-Driven Monitoring in Dam Safety and Tailings Intelligence. So he will talk about how monitoring is evolving from conventional inspection-based approaches to intelligent, real-time, AI-powered monitoring ecosystem. The session will cover smart sensor, Internet of Things, that is IoT, real-time monitoring platforms, AI-based anomaly detection, predictive analytics, early warning systems, digital twins, satellite data, remote sensing, and spatial intelligence. So this webinar brings together two very important dimensions. That is, geophysics reveals what is happening inside and below the dam, while AI-driven monitoring tracks how the system behaves over time. Two important dimensions in a single webinar.
Why is this discussion especially important now?
See, Sucheta, globally, the mining industry is moving towards safer and more sustainable tailings management. Filtered tailings stacks are also gaining attention because they reduce stored water and lower catastrophic flow failure risks. But scaling filtered tailings to large operations bring new geotechnical challenges. Compaction, density, resaturation, rate of rise, deformation monitoring, and long-term performance. This is exactly where geophysical investigations, instrumentation, real-time monitoring, and AI-enabled decision support must come together. Tailings dam safety can no longer be based only on periodic inspection. It has to be evidence-based, data-driven, and proactive. That is the key message.
Interesting. What can participants expect to take away from this webinar?
Participants will learn why continuous subsurface information is essential for tailings dam safety, how geophysics can detect seepage and weak zones, how drilling can be optimized, and how geotechnical interpretation can become more reliable. They will also understand how real-time monitoring, structural health monitoring, AI-based anomaly detection, predictive analytics, digital twins, and satellite intelligence can contribute to early warning and safer decision-making. The idea is not just to talk about technology, but to show how these technologies can be integrated into one practical safety framework.
That sounds extremely relevant for the mining and the infrastructure safety community. But before we close, could you please share the webinar details once again?
Sure. So the webinar is titled Tailings Dam, Subsurface Intelligence, Geophysics, and AI-Driven Monitoring for Safer Mine Waste Management. It will be held on July 4th, 2026 at 3 p.m. Indian Standard Time, live online on Zoom, and it is completely free. The registration QR code and link is here in this frame. Participants attending the live Zoom session will receive a certificate of participation. The recording and presentation deck will also be shared with all the registered participants. So even if you're not able to attend it live because of time zone difference, you can enjoy the recording later and even send your questions by email. So all the resources will be made available to you just if you register.
Thank you, Dr. Rana, for sharing these insights. To all viewers, if you are connected with mining, tailings dams, geotechnical engineering, dam safety, environmental risk, instrumentation, monitoring, or infrastructure safety, this is a webinar you should not miss. Register for free and join us on Saturday, 4th July 2026 at 3 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you there.
Thank you. I look forward to an engaging and meaningful session with all of you. Thank you very much.